Tedding large widths with a small tractor. Compact on the road, high acreage in the field. Top-notch contouring and tidy spreads. The new dimension of tedding. The rotary tedders KWT 1300, 1600 and 2000 from KRONE are trailed machines that tick all the boxes of professional forage harvesting. These are ideal machines for following up on high-capacity mower combination. Tedding 13.10 to 19.60 meters in one single pass, these machines cover the enormous area of 20 hectares per hour. At the same time, they don't ask automatically for high lift forces because their weight rests on the transport running gear. The two high-capacity models, KWT 1600 and 2000, are supplied with a standard 3-point headstock. A preloaded coil spring on the headstock absorbs any negative tongue load when the rotors are lifted out of work. KWT 1300 offers 3 different tractor attachments: the standard and straightforward clevis hitch, the optional ball hitch for quiet running, or a 3-point headstock with integral coil spring that is also found on larger models. The wheels on the transport running gear are clad with flotation tyres that also give effective ground contouring of the rotors. The rotor unit mounts in a 3-point linkage and is raised and lowered by a hydraulic top link. The link goes into float position for tedding, thereby ensuring excellent contouring. The tedding height is conveniently adjusted on the crane. The rotors on the KWT 1600 and KWT 2000 can adjust independently of the transport running gear. Generous ground clearance during the headland turns is a major asset of these machines. The wheels on the running gear of the 2 top models are steered. The machine switches automatically between 2 modes of operation. When the machine is in work, the transport wheels run in line with the rotor wheels for protection of the delicate sward and the tyres. When the machine is in transport position, the transport wheels are running in the tractor wheelings for optimum castering and maximum agility. The transport axle on the KW 1300 is rigid. To prevent damage to the sward, the operator hydraulically shifts some of the machine weight to the rotor wheels when making a turn, thereby removing some weight from the transport running gear. When the combination is back in straight ahead position, you shift the load back to the transport wheels. A simple but very effective solution. The tried and tested rotors deliver an intensive rake and yet treat the material gently. The KWT 1300 has 12 rotors. The 2 larger models have 14 and 18 rotors. Small in diameter and overlapping generously, the rotors cleanly pick up horns and blades. Each of the 6 rotor arms has 1 pair of double tines of unequal lengths, a design that ensures a very uniform spread pattern. The neck at the end of each arm ensures no tine is lost. The angle of throw is changed without tools by refitting this pin. Set to a steep angle, the rotor is ready to ted the material. Set to a shallow angle, it is ready for turning. The big flotation wheels that carry the rotors ensure soft treading and excellent ride. An optional curtain is available for spreading along field borders. A very useful option for haymaking is the gearbox that produces narrow night swaths. This is simply merely push fit to the existing gearbox to reduce the rotor RPM. The heavy-duty frame sections are made to deliver large work widths. The closed guard frame is braced by cross tubes that are arranged at an angle to provide extra stability and keep weight off the side arms and joints. The robust 8-finger OctoLink clutch provides frictional connection in any position, and this eliminates any risk of potential damage due to an operator error. The joints are lubrication-free. The rotor drives are sealed and liquid greased, which makes them absolutely maintenance-free. Wide in the field and narrow on the road. In no time at all, the huge machines fold into a narrow transport unit of less than 3 meters. An automatic sequence control assists the operator, who just presses one single button and the machine takes care of itself. Homologated for 40 km/h road travel, the machine is ready for swift transport to the next field. The trailed rotary tedders from KRONE impress with an enormous productivity, a sturdy build, and very smart details which reduce the drying time significantly. For example, high-quality forage without operator stress and risk.